peeps, Mew Mew here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna do a sort of DIY, but not really. We're gonna be building a ice cream stand. Yes, an ice cream stand. And it's gonna be really hard work. Like, I can already feel it. The instructions are minimal, but we're gonna try. Yes, it's gonna be very difficult. So let me show you what we got. We got this jar. What's in this jar? Legos. So, which is really cute. My cousin, for one of her daughter's birthday parties, she gave out these little mason jars, and there's actually little Legos in there. And apparently it's this friend collection, which I still need to figure out how to get this girl off this can, but so I can actually use a mason jar for something else probably. But I want to build this ice cream stand. If y'all know me, I'm really into desserts, and ice cream is life. Just saying. Ice cream's life. So I actually opened this on stream the other day just to see kind of what kind of instructions it actually gives us, and you know, the possibility of actually doing this on stream. So yeah, I just kind of crumpled them up and put them in there. So I opened them, and the instructions are literally, there's these blocks. Actually, that's like step 3. So step 1 is that you put this random girl together, because apparently she's bald, and you know, you have more blocks, keep going until you have your block sensation. But you know, it's not, it's just like, it's this color block, then put these other 2 blocks together and just keep putting blocks, and eventually you'll have a cute little ice cream stand. So I'm gonna try to see if I can build this. I mean, I'm pretty sure I can build this. I've built an entire little Doctor Who Lego set before. Actually, that's the first Lego set that I've ever put together. I wasn't into Legos as a kid. Anyways, so we're gonna take everything out and let's start building, and let's see how this goes. So you might be wondering, why is Mew Mew subjecting us to this kind of content? And the reason is, I have no clue. So packaging, cute, and we have all the things. But basically, I've just wanted to try things different, you know, different things out for the channel and seeing how that works. And I'm gonna just do a lot of random stuff. And if there's anything you randomly wanna see me do, let me know and we will try it. And no, I'm not gonna make you like entirely wait for me to do all of this. There'll probably be portions that I randomly speed through. So our second step is to put these other 2 little things together. So we flip this over, we put this one, I assume it's this one here. And let's see, we need this one. But where's this one here? Okay, put this one here. Yes, we got this. This one here. Also, there's some random videos gonna come out on the channel, and I kind of suck at different things, so it's gonna be fun. I'm very excited. So I think this goes here. We're on step 3 already, and you know, it is very handy that it says flip it over. Flip it over so you can get to whatever it is that you need to do. So now we need, what color is this? It looks brown. Okay, I guess it's this one. And then we're gonna put a pink block. Oh, is this chocolate ice cream? And then what's this? It's square. Like, I don't know any square ice cream. It's ridiculous. Okay, then we need 2 of these white blocks with like 1 thingy. I'm like, oh wait, I'm recording this. I'm not just randomly talking to myself. I should probably turn things so you can actually see what the muffin I'm doing. Okay, so then we also need another one of these blocks. Oh, go in there. And, you know, if the lights will let me see. Apparently now we're on step 4, and we are gonna get a popsicle. There's a popsicle! Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at this little popsicle. It's neon. I mean, I have concerns about it being neon, because like, if you see your ice cream and it's neon, would you eat it? I don't think so. Okay, so I get, you know, we put the little neon ice cream here. I'm making concerns. And this seems to be an ice cream cone, which is kind of cute. So, choo. And there's the ice cream. It's pink ice cream. We're gonna stuff it in there. I worked at an ice cream shop, and let me tell you, making ice cream cones was easy, but like not this easy. Just saying. And then we need, the next step, we need these little thingies, and we're gonna put them on these sides. I guess it's sort of a DIY, you know, showing you tutorial as to how to build this. Maybe you have these little shapes. Maybe you love your child and like got them like cute little thingies, and you're gonna show them how to build an ice cream stand. And now you've seen, you know, step by step how to do this. You just need piece, I don't know, does it have a number? Item piece 90195. Just look in your collection, see if you have that piece number. And this is a step-by-step recreation of how you can do this at home. Yes, because I'm sure you are very anxious to be able to do this on your own at home. You know, show your kids you love them, or you know, or just trying to watch me do stuff and, you know, be terrible at doing it. Come on, go in there. Okay, and let me get this one. Yeah. Yes. Why won't you go in? Lego, please. Ha, I win. Okay, then we need, is that it? On that side, okay. Flip over. We're on the back page already. What? Okay, so it seems that the only thing on here is we put this thing here. And approximately there. Oh, look at us being pros at building Legos. Choo, 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 choo. Then we're now on step 8, and we're gonna need to alternate these colors from this dark pink to the red to the lighter pink, and I guess this way. I don't think it really matters which color. I know it does matter. You'll see why it matters in a second. Oh, hair, no, go away. You can't show people my true hair color because, you know, they've never seen my face. Oh, meow, 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 meow. Actually, well, no, that's a lie. You've seen me. I was at the beginning of this video. Unless you just, like, don't watch the beginning of my videos. Or my streams. And, you know, this is one of those life crisis moments. Okay, so that's why we needed to make sure to start with the dark one, because this front piece was, like, light pink. So now it makes sense. And then what? Oh. What? We're gonna put two of this little square, and we're gonna put ice cream on them. It makes sense. We're putting ice cream on these little pieces, okay? I mean, why are we putting ice cream on this block and then putting this block on top of it, like so? So now we have an ice cream sandwich, but no, it is not just an ice cream sandwich. It is apparently the base to this whole thing. I mean, Legos, I understand that you're multi-purposes, but when you're using ice cream to build your, you know, structures, I have some like real concerns, you know. What are you teaching people? Teaching them that it's okay to use your food as building materials? I mean, if you build, you know, like an actual stand using ice cream, let me know. Not because I'm gonna judge you, but, you know, because claps for you. Claps for you. And then we put the wheels and look at the little cart. Look, it is actually quite adorable. Look at our little neon ice cream, and you know the wheels will turn. And look, there's the strawberry ice cream. I'm glad it wasn't chocolate ice cream. I don't know, something about liquid chocolate just makes me not happy. And you know, let's pretend that this girl wasn't stuck here. Oh, actually, can we get her out? I mean, I thought Mason George, you can remove the lids. I'm sorry, girl. Oops, see, yeah. This has turned into a demonetized video because girl got her head flipped. Talk about, you know, what's it called? Multiple personalities. Okay, so pretending that, you know, she was outside, you know, and not trapped there for like forever. Oh, that works. Look, there. She looks all so happy. You know, she has ice cream. And we also have like 3 random pieces. We have another chocolate ice cream and another little random block, which I really don't know what to do with. I mean, can we give her ice cream like more scoops? No, but they don't fit. Okay, actually we need to alternate these colors, and we're gonna stack it on top of the chocolate ice cream that is in the cart. I feel that Legos fit. Yes, there. So now we have like a little scoop, you know, a little sundae of ice creams in there, and we have 1 random extra little block that I really don't know what to do with. But here is our little cart. Isn't it cute? I am very proud of us. We just did something amazing. We just followed instructions and built this ice cream cart, which is totes adorable. You know, I'm totally gonna be sending Danbear out there to sell some ice cream. Danbear, what do you think? Could you sell ice cream with this little cart? He'll probably sell like a lot of ice cream. So, this was just so fun to do because I've been meaning to build this little Lego thing since like my cousin's daughter's birthday party, and I just hadn't made time for it. I mean, not that I was intending to make it a video, but it happened, and you know, I'm just playing with different things to do, and you know, not that the gaming content's ending, but I want to do other stuff. Stuff that I've always wanted to do, and you know, Danbear is excited to do more stuff. I mean, now he's getting into the ice cream business. I mean, Danbear, you also have to like face the audience and tell them how you're gonna be selling you're gonna be selling all this ice cream, because you know, you are taught Burr, you know, that you selling ice cream is so that you can go to Burr College and become a Burr lawyer and all these shenanigans, you know. It's not like we're gonna ever get a gun sponsorship and then it can send us all the Burrs and infamy and we can have like a very happy Burr haul. The dream. Anyways, so that has been us building the random little Lego ice cream thingy. It was fun, it was interesting. Let me know in the comments below, is there anything you randomly want me and Danbear to try our hand at? I mean, definitely just like, even flow kids. Like, I need to figure out a better setup, maybe like a side cam, you know, instead just like actually sitting on the table. Because I'm trying to figure out how a camera works and all this stuff, but it's a work in progress, and that's why we actually wanted to do this as well, just to play around with what we could do, and let's see how this ends up in, you know, when it actually gets uploaded. But thank you all so very much for watching. If you haven't watched one of my streams on Twitch, do so. The link's in the bottom of the description, you know, in the little description. Twitch link, you know, all the stuff. And if you want to see more random content stuff, you know, make sure to subscribe. Help a girl out. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, meow to meow.